Kwa dakika moja, Mheshimiwa Rais.
Gitumi kinene mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni guthaitira mabataro mothe ma timu cia gibũrũri nicio national teams hingo ciothe iratungatira bururi. No riu makiria ma mwaka umwe muthiru igeria ria FKF gwethera nyarari cia Harambee Starlets mbeca kuma kuri Ministry ya Mathako ikoretwo iguthite ihiga undu uria ucungirire president wa kiama giki Nick Mwendwa gukirira ofisi ya mwandiki mukaru Ambassador Peter Kaberia.
We want to know from the PS what is his problem with football. What is his problem with football? He never writes to us. He doesn't talk to us, but he has decided not to fund the girls.
Mamwe ma mogwati maria makurire FKF maitho ni ta Harambee Starlets kwaga guthaka ngucanio yao na Zambia ya raundi ya gatano thini wa mbitika cia Olympic qualifiers. Oro undu umwe na Harambee Stars kwaga guthie Cairo ngucanio yao ya mbere na Egypt mbitika-ini cia AFCON 2021 qualifiers. Ngucanio ici ciothe igibangirwo mweri ukite.
Tukitoa team kucheza na Zambia kutakuwa na consequences. Not only are we going to lose the place to play for the first time in the Olympics, which is a big thing for us, but also FIFA will sanction us.
Mwendwa oigite timu cia iritu bururi-ini ni ironekana gukuo na uhuthu muno. Ica ikuhi timu ya netball ikionekana gukwama bururi-ini wa South Africa. Na riu Starlets maratara mieri matari arihe mbeca ciao cia njoherera nicio allowances.
The PS has to tell us, is there a problem funding ladies? Because when we see across the federations, we see Lionesses, there's a problem. We see like it's like everywhere there are ladies teams, there's an issue. We don't know why. We are very passionate about our girls because they've done so well beating Ghana. And that is why, as football, we have decided we are going to bring these matters to the fore.
Mothe kenda na ria 10 itanya ria ciama cia mathako bururi-ini ni kugunika na kigina gia sports fund ta uria mutongoria wa bururi andikithirie.
Oh, really good rally that.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.